Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our September original Stamp Club reveal. Now, I have a couple things to tell you, but I'm going to tell you this. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love this guy. This one's funny, and it's very us, okay? It's very Maymay world. Okay, so there aren't any samples today. Let me tell you why. First off, we're coming off of a holiday, so I didn't get this in time to do the samples, but normally I would spend today getting samples ready, but today we are celebrating Amber's 5-year anniversary working with us. So we're taking her out of this office somewhere special. We'll show y'all, we'll document the day and let you see, but we're doing some special things for Amber. She's our first employee we have that's been here 5 years, and we're so excited to celebrate her. So if you would like, you can leave congratulations or happy anniversary messages in the comments here. You can also email her and let her know at info@MaymayMadeIt.com how much you appreciate her and her 5 years of service for you guys and for us. We don't know what we'd do without her. She's amazing. So, Stamp Club reveal. We do this every month on this day at 3 p.m. And if you're not a member of the club, you should be. It's super fun. It's very affordable. It's $11.99 a month if you're in the U.S., $13.49 if you're outside of the U.S., and you also get 15% off most items in our store every day as a club member. All right, this one has a story, and you guys know it. And you're not going to need samples because you're going to laugh so hard. I'm telling you, you're going to laugh. Ready? This one is called Rascally Raccoon. You asked for it. So for those of you who don't know, recently our stamp manufacturing company had a raccoon get into the wiring and chew it in half and shut them down for like 7 days. It was a while that they were shut down because of it. And we were telling you guys the story because we were afraid it was going to put production behind. Surprisingly, it didn't do bad. It's done pretty good. But we decided we had to do a Rascally Raccoon set. All right, so this guy right here, if you look really close, is chewing on that wire. You see it? And you see how he's frazzled? And then, of course, he gets this saying, feeling a little frazzled. We love that one. So there's our raccoon that bit into the wire. This little guy right here is just super cute. This guy's super cute, and this guy's super cute. You had to have these extras. So here's the sentiments. I rummaged this up for you. How cute would that be on a tag if you use one of the little raccoons and I rummaged this up for you? Then you can say happy birthday or congratulations with that. You can say you stole my heart because, of course, raccoons steal our heart. And then look, to my partner in crime, you can say happy birthday, congratulations, you stole my heart. And how about this one? It won't last forever. We thought that was cute, like if you wanted to send a card to somebody just to let them know that whatever they're going through right now won't last forever, and send a cute little raccoon on it. Also, there's these little lightning bolts. Now, when we do our samples for you, which will come, this little guy right here looks so cute if you stamp that little lightning bolt all the way around him. It is so funny. You'll be able to use these in other places and for other things. You're already deciding that those look like something else, I'm sure, that you can use somewhere else. But how funny is this guy? Now, if you're a member of the club, this is already mailed out to you. It's going to you in the mailbox. If you're not a member of the club and you want to pick this guy up, because I know y'all are going to love him, you can do so. We have him in store, and we'll link all that information for you below so you can pick him up too. You don't have to be a club member. You just get a discount on the set, and you get a discount in our store as a club member. And if you're not a club member, you can pick him up at regular price. Now, as you know, every month we do a giveaway when we reveal our club sets. That is a $50 off gift card to our store, and the way to enter is by making a project with this guy here, whatever the current stamp set is, sharing it on our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, and then we pull by random a winner every month. Now, that winner's name will be in the top line of this description, so be sure to open the description and see if that is you. And if you would like to enter for next month, make a little project. I can't wait to see the projects you guys do with this guy. I really, really want to see how creative you get with the frazzled guy. There's a lot you can do with him, and I can't wait. I want to see what you guys do. So be sure to share those projects in our customer gallery, but also head over and join our Facebook group called Maymay Made It, and so did I. Also linked in the description. You can share it there and also get inspiration from other folks there too. Thanks so much for being a part of our club. Thank you for giving us the inspiration for this one. You guys were like, literally, we had to have the raccoon set. Like, it was so many emails and so many messages that the raccoon had to happen. So here he is. Thanks so much for being here today. And until next time, bye now.